Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Pratik and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the microphone, which is Maono AU A04 microphone. And this will be a complete setup, and I'll show you how to install it or how to connect it with your PC or laptop, and you can then start recording. So yeah, without wasting any time, we will start the video. But if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Now let's jump to the installation and setup. So as you can see, I have the complete kit over here with me, and starting with the setup process or the mounting process, first you have to use the table clamp, which is this particular thing over here. So this is the table clamp, and what you have to do is you have to mount this, or you have to set it up at the corner or of your table, and or else any other place which you think this can be mounted on. So yeah, starting with the setup now, this is the table clamp, and what you have to do is you have to just loose this, or you have to unscrew this particular screw over here, and as you can see, this is coming down, and this is the straight position, and this you have to mount on your or at the corner of your table. So I'll quickly do it and I'll show you how to set it up on your table. So what you have to do is, as I told you, you have to unscrew the screw over there on the table clamp, and you just have to insert it at the corner of your table, and then just make sure the screw is not too tight or it is not too loose. Also make it somewhere between a normal pressure, and then you can just start using it. So after setting up the table clamp, the next thing we have to mount is the boom stand. So this is the boom stand, and this particular part over here, as you can see, this particular part will be we'll be setting up on the table clamp, and then we'll make sure that even that screw is not too loose or not too tight, so that there will be a rotation in this one. So make sure to mount it properly and insert this part in the table clamp and just tighten up the screw. So I have done the setup of the table clamp and the boom stand. Now this is the boom stand, as you can see. So I have mounted it on the left side of my table, and however I can just set it up at any particular position I want. So make sure that the part where I told you that don't make sure that the screw is not too tight, so that you can easily rotate it however you want. So yeah, after doing that, the next thing is this particular thing over here. So this is for attaching your microphone, and yeah, just make sure you use shock mount over here. So as you can see, there is a thread at the bottom of the shock mount. So this particular part will be will be fitting here. So I'll quickly show you how to do it. Now what I'll do is I'll lower it a bit, and so this is the part where you can adjust your shock mount, and it is very simple, nothing much in that. You just have to rotate it. I'll just make sure this is tight, and as you can see, it is easy to mount. So yeah, now as you can see, even the shock mount is mounted on the boom stand now. So this is how it will look once you set the shock mount on the boom stand. And the next thing which I'm gonna attach on this shock mount is obviously the mic. So I'm using this foam screen right now, but later I will be for recording you can use that pop filter if you want. So what I'll do is I'll quickly, as you can see, this is the wind foam or windscreen, whatever you want to call it, and this is the microphone. And what we have to do is, there is a clip over here, as I don't know you're able to see or not. We have to just press it, and we'll just attach the microphone in it, and we are good to go. So this is the position, and if you want to lock the tilt position, so there is a screw at this side. You can just tight it, you make it tight, and now it is not moving. So it is moving from this side, so this particular thing over here. If you want to you don't want this thing to move, then you can tight this screw as well. So now you can see it is not moving. So in whichever direction I want, I can just set it up with the help of the boom stand. So that is actually a very good thing. The other thing which I liked about this microphone and this complete whole setup is that if you want your microphone to be upside down, you can just loosen up the screw and you can just turn in any direction you want. You can see over here, you can just turn it in any direction you want. And if I want to set in this direction, I'll make sure that the screw is tight and I'm good to go. So even in the upside down position, you will be able to mount this particular whole setup and your microphone. So this is a good thing, and I'll just attach this one over here. So yeah, this is the complete setup. Now remaining thing is this cable. Now how to attach this cable? So there is a type B port at the bottom of the microphone where you can just attach this particular cable to it. So I'll quickly show you. So this is the type B cable and you can just attach it over here, and that's it, you're good to go. And the other part of this cable, which is the USB type A, you can directly plug it into your laptop or PC and you're good to go. You don't have to install any other software, or you don't have to install any other drivers or something to start using this. It is just plug and play. That's it. Just attach the cable to the microphone and to your laptop, and that's it, you are good to go. So now where you can record the audio, so you can download Audacity software, where many of you might already be knowing that, and you can get a pretty good decent quality in Audacity also. So yeah, just plug it into your laptop and you're good to go for recording your vocals or audio. So you can do voiceover in this. You can use this microphone for streaming and all, and that's very simple to use. You don't have to, as I told you, don't have to install any other software or drivers in this one. So yeah, that's again a good thing in this particular microphone. So talking about the audio quality of this particular microphone, I'll just give you a short clip, audio clip, and one will be an unedited audio clip and the other one will be the edited audio clip, the same clip, and you will be able to identify and you can notice basically what kind of audio output you can get from this particular microphone. So just hear the audio clip. I am recording this audio from Mauno AU A04 microphone. Currently I am at a distance of 3 to 4 inches from the microphone, and this is the kind of output you can get when you are directly in front of the microphone. I am recording this audio from Mauno AU A04 microphone. Currently I am at a distance of 3 to 4 inches from the microphone, and this is the kind of output you can get when you are directly in front of the microphone. The audio you are listening right now is from the same microphone, but I am recording this audio from sideways, and this is the kind of output you can get when you are recording the audio from sideways. The audio you are listening right now is from the same microphone, and I am at a distance of 8 to 9 inches from the microphone. I am recording this directly in front of it, and this is the kind of output you can get when you are away from the microphone at around 8 to 9 inches. So I will be quiet for some time so that you can get an idea what kind of ambient noise this microphone is capturing. There is a bit of disturbance in the room right now, but just to get an idea about the ambient noise captured by this microphone, I will be quiet for some time and you will be able to hear the ambient noise. So this was the audio test done on Mauno AU A04 microphone, and I hope you have got an idea what kind of output you can get from this microphone. So I hope you have got an idea what kind of output you can get from this particular microphone, and I recorded the audio in Audacity only, and first clip was the unedited audio clip and the second one was the edited audio clip. So you can just tweak some changes as per your requirement, and you can definitely get a good quality sound output from this Mauno AU A04 microphone. Now I know this is not the very best kind of audio level or best kind of audio output you can get from a microphone. But considering its price, which is 3,799 for now, it is definitely a good go, I would say. If you have a bigger budget and you can afford Blue Snowball microphone, then yeah, that's a good option that has a much higher audio output and much quality audio, I would say. But if you don't have any budget, then you can definitely go with Mauno AU A04 microphone and the complete kit. So yeah, I think considering the price point, it has a very decent kind of output, and you can definitely use it for voiceover and streaming purposes. So that's pretty much it for the setup and the installation process. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can hit that like button. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. And thanks for watching. See you.